Good afternoon, model fans. Welcome to Cookie Monster's Model Corner. Today we've got a bit of a lucky dip. We have somewhat apprehension at the prospect of opening this box from CCM Direct. We have a 375 LME in here, hopefully. And I say lucky dip because we've been hearing quite a lot of reports of varying levels of damage and problems. So hopefully this won't be one. So yeah, let's crack her open and see how she's fared on her van journey from the States. Some nice paper wrapping on the outer, and polystyrene corner protectors. And it is indeed a 375 LME. Nice graphics. Nice sharp feeling box. Feels like the sort of box you get like an iPhone or something in. So yeah, the moment of truth. A couple of little sellotape tags to cut. Should be ready to come out. Well, here we go. CCM roulette begins. Initially, it appears to be pretty damn flawless. Wow, delighted. That is a beautiful model. Right down to the little step detail on the cab. I believe the cab door even looks like it's open. Yes, it was. Yep, delighted. No damage, I can see. A few little bits of polystyrene. Yep, over the moon. Very, very nice model. Very relieved. Been hearing a lot of complaints about varying levels of quality due to damage or factory finish, but yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. No damage. Finish, I can't really fault the finish. Some engine detail. Yeah, I'm delighted with that. Beautiful model. Whew, that's a great relief. CCM roulette. And I think I have one. The bottom lower engine doors are a little bit misaligned, but nothing that sticks out painfully. Spring idlers, very nice feature. The tracks are still a little loose, but again, doesn't stick out painfully. Overall, pretty bloody delighted. this is a guaranteed finish each time, I'll happily buy another CCM. We'll just have to see how their quality issues unfold. Hopefully they can get on top of that, because that is a fabulous model. Vast improvement, just for comparison's sakes, on the old Joel 375, which to be fair was more considered a toy than a model, and still a very nice solid metal feel to it. I do wish CCM produced the 375 with this boom and dipper configuration. I'm not sure what the lengths are, but the long dipper and boom version is very long. I believe it's longer than the Joel version, and just a little too long for my taste. I believe they're used in the States for pipeline jobs, which in the UK we would very rarely see. Our applications would be more mass excavation spec with a long undercarriage. But yeah, delighted. Just a little comparison with 374D. Overall, very pleased with this model. So yeah, I might take a look in my brochure collection, see if I can find a brochure for the 375, just to look at some of the boom and stick configurations. Might take a second to dig through the collection. Legends like the 994 and the D11. I'll get right back to you when I find it. So naturally, it was near the bottom of the pile, but we got it. So let's go and take a look at those dipper specifications for interest sakes. So yeah, let's just compare. Again, to me, that appears to be a correct dipper. That's an exact match if you ask me. Guys complain it wasn't. So yeah, the bucket. Again, appears to be a correct bucket. So yeah, this video is going to stand out somewhat in defense of CCM, contrary to all the criticism lately. Not that I have any particular allegiance to CCM, but I just hate seeing when somebody goes to the effort of bringing a nice model to the market. I'm not saying the criticism is unfounded. There has been a lot of issues, but hopefully they can clear them up, and we'll get some nice more models. So yeah, stick and boom options on the real machine, very interesting. You have general purpose stick and the mass excavator stick. And the general purpose, you have three options from 5.5 meters to 3.4 meters. I presume it's the 5.5 meter stick that CCM have modeled with the longer boom. For me, just a little too long. 3.4 or the 4.4 stick would have been nice. And then over to the mass excavation specification, we have either 4.1, 3.4 or 2.9 meter stick, or dipper as we call them here in Northern Ireland, short for dipper stick. So yeah, I'm not actually sure what version this is modeled, whether it's the 4.1. I'm gonna take a stab at 3.4 maybe. So yeah, for the guys talking about the stick being incorrect, don't forget all the options you can actually get. Going back to Joel's version, I'm going to assume that that version is a general purpose 4.4 meter version, which I think's just nice proportions. The other CCM one is very long. But yeah, different countries, I suppose what you're used to. We're used to the normal lengths, and obviously in the States where they use them for pipelines, they're used to the very long boom configuration. So yeah, hopefully that clears up some of the things surrounding the boom and stick options. You can clearly see the details. And this is from a Caterpillar brochure, straight from the horse's mouth. So yeah, hope that clears up some of the chat on the forums and things. Not particularly defending CCM, I have no affiliation with them, but it is nice to see a manufacturer go to the effort to bring out a classic machine, and I hope they get their quality control issues sorted out. I'm just very pleased. I seem to have been lucky enough to get a good one. So yeah, folks, find out, get your seller to open the box, check it out, and if it's good, I highly recommend it. Beautiful model, very nice detail, colour, finish, no major complaints. Look forward to the next release. Thanks for watching the video. Click subscribe if you want to see future model videos. Give me a thumbs up or a like. Comment what model you would like to see next, and I'll see what I can do. Hopefully it's on the shopping list. Over and out. Cheers, guys.